concentrators. So there's a pipe going down the middle. This is a parabolic like cross section there. This is the Four Soleil in France. Four Solaire which means solar furnace, because that's what four means. Only in the U.S. My sister worked there for a number of years. This is like one story. So this thing is just tremendous. Back here on this hill, there's an enormous number of, these are heliostats. They reflect the sun into that. All of this concentrates here, and they do high temperature research there. It's basically a high temperature research site, not as much solar, but you can do a lot of high temperature things with solar. And my sister's particular thing for her PhD thesis was that she looked into getting methane out of cellulose, I believe is what it was. And she was funded here by Alcoa, because Alcoa uses, the aluminum company, right, uses a ton of electricity to get aluminum out of the ore. Her idea was to get it out of solar. If you could get electricity out of solar, that'd be a very cool thing. And then you can also do biomass. Yeah, just like fuel, like burning firewood is biomass, right? You can also make alcohol out of fuels. So we make it out of corn. The sad thing about that, making it out of corn, is that we actually burn more petroleum to grow the corn in the form of fertilizer and like harvesting and all this stuff, right? Then we actually get out of the ethanol. Isn't that sad? Yeah? Brazil, on the other hand, has got it down to where they only burn about a third of the energy content of the ethanol they generate, right? And they do it with sugar cane. And the way they do it is they use the sugar to make the ethanol, and they use the cane to burn to distill the ethanol, which is kind of cool.